In this video, I will show you how you can make your own Twitter profile. I will guide you through the step-by-step process in setting up your own personal or business Twitter profile. Let's start making a new Twitter profile. Go to twitter.com. Click the Sign Up button to create a fresh new Twitter account. You will see a pop-up window asking for your name and phone number. If you prefer not to include your phone number, you have the option to input your email instead. Click the Use Email Instead link, input the details, and click Next. Once you're done, click the Sign Up button. Twitter will send you a code for verification of your account. If you choose to register using your phone, Twitter will send an SMS verification code to your number, and you will see a pop-up window asking you to enter your verification code. For this example, we will be receiving an email for you to verify this account to be created. Let's check our email to see if we have received the final step for the verification process. Now we see that we have received the confirmation email from Twitter. Let's click this button now. You may also edit other settings here. So we have successfully created our Twitter profile. If you have not set up your custom username, you will see a random number and characters followed by the @ sign. Let's change it now. Click this. Choose the Settings and Privacy menu. We may now see the account page to edit. In the username field, we can change this to what we prefer to be seen in our profile. The username with the @ sign is the name that your followers will use to tag or message you, while your display name will be the name seen as you post your tweets. When you input your preferred username, Twitter will automatically tell you above the username that it has been already taken or available. You may also edit other settings here, like in the Data and Permissions section, your language, and the country you live in, Privacy and Safety. This page shows the privacy settings we could edit into our own preference. Protect your tweets. Only your followers can see your tweets, and it will not be available in public. If you will be promoting your business, it is advisable not to check this box. Location information. If checked, people will see your location in every posted tweet. You may choose to delete all location information saved here in your settings. You may also allow people to tag you in their post with photos as you check photo tagging. You may choose to allow anyone or your followers to tag you. Direct messages. You may check this box when you want to receive messages from anyone, even if you don't follow them. Show read receipts. If you check this, anyone who sent you a message will be shown when you have seen their message or not. In discoverability, you may check this if you want people to find you by searching for your email address or your phone number. Under Safety, you may choose to leave this, as Twitter will make it a default setting to hide sensitive contents from your feed, blocked accounts, and filters. Under Notifications, choose your preference if you want to mute notifications from people you don't follow, who don't follow you, and people with new account. People who haven't changed their profile photo, confirmed their email and phone number yet. If you're promoting your business, this quality filter must not be checked, so you will see and track everything in your feed. In the email notification settings, you may choose to check and allow Twitter to send you email when you have a new notification, direct messages, and if someone emails a tweet to you. You may edit activity from your network and updates from Twitter. Under the General Settings, we can edit the display theme color, font, and background of your Twitter account. Data usage. You can choose this when you want to limit the network data that your Twitter takes up. You may also edit your display colors when you click More and choose Display from the pop-up window. Let's optimize your profile. Click the Profile menu. You are now on your profile page. Click the Edit Profile button. Let's upload a photo. As you choose your photo, a pop-up window will display your chosen image, and you may edit the position and size. Then click the Apply button. You can also upload a cover photo. Reposition and scale the image, then click the Apply button. We can change your display name, your bio, location, website, and your birthday. In bio, you want to consider to create a short and simple description of your profile, where people will know who you are, what you offer, and how to contact you in a glance of your profile's description. We have now set up our Twitter profile. As you may notice, we have no displayed tweets in our feeds yet because we have no followers. So let's find followers so you may see their tweets. You may search a username or any name to follow. As soon as you're directed to your profile page, just click the Follow button to start seeing their tweets. Now that we have successfully created and set up our Twitter profile, we may now start to post tweets. Twitter can be used as a search engine, where you can use it for searching for people, certain topics, look for target market for your products or services. You may also use Twitter to check for latest updates about certain topics or your industry. People may share their bad experiences with certain services, and you may grab that opportunity to message them and offer your service to give them a better service. You may also get more followers as your target market in your business. The more you post per day, the more people will see your profile and follow you. The more traffic you will get. You may promote your business's product and services by providing valuable contents for your followers could see as you grab their attention. Thank you for watching.